Welcome to the brave new world of remote work. Gone are the days of commuting, office small talk, and the mystery of who keeps taking your lunch from the fridge. However, working from home brings its own set of challenges, particularly in the realm of cybersecurity. As we navigate this landscape, let's dive into some tips and best practices to keep both businesses and individuals safe from cyber threats. The new frontier of remote work, a hacker's paradise? In the comfort of your home, we often forget that we're still part of the vast digital ocean, teeming with cyber sharks. Hackers are lurking, waiting to pounce on the unsuspecting. But fear not, with a few precautions, you can outsmart these digital villains. Wrong passwords, the first line of defense. We get it. Remembering passwords like password123 or QWERTY is easy. But it's also like leaving your front door wide open with a welcome sign for hackers. Instead, use strong, unique passwords for each account. Here's a trick. Think of a phrase you'll remember and use the first letters of each word, add some numbers, and special characters. Viola, you have a password that's hard to crack, but easy for you to remember. For example, my favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate chip becomes capital M F1C F1CC exclamation mark. Two-factor authentication, double the security. Imagine if your home had two front doors. Two-factor authentication is kind of like that. Even if a hacker gets your password, they still need a second piece of information to access your account. Enable 2FA wherever possible. It's like having a bouncer for your digital accounts. Secure Wi-Fi, your digital fortress. Using your neighbor's Wi-Fi might save you some bucks, but it's a cybersecurity nightmare. Always use a secure password-protected Wi-Fi connection. Change the default password on your router. Admin is the first thing hackers will try. And make sure your network encryption is set to WPA3 for the best security. VPNs, your cloak of invisibility. A virtual private network encrypts your internet traffic, making it harder for hackers to intercept your data. It's like having an invisibility cloak for your online activities. Use a reputable VPN, especially when connecting to public Wi-Fi. Regular software updates. Don't snooze on this. We know software update notifications always seem to pop up at the worst times. But don't ignore them. These updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities. Think of it as getting a flu shot for your computer. It might be a bit inconvenient, but it's essential for staying healthy. Phishing scams. Don't take the bait. Phishing emails have become increasingly sophisticated. They might look like they're from your boss, your bank, or even your favorite pizza place. Always double-check the sender's email address, and don't click on suspicious links or attachments. When in doubt, verify through another means of communication. Secure collaboration tools. Choose wisely. With remote work, collaboration tools like Zoom, Slack, and Microsoft Teams have become essential. Ensure these tools are configured securely. Use the privacy settings to control who can join your meetings and access shared documents. Remember, just because you're discussing work doesn't mean you have to broadcast it to the world. Back up your data. Be prepared. Regularly back up your important data to an external drive or a secure cloud service. If a cyber attack does happen, having a backup ensures you won't lose everything. It's like having a spare tire. You hope you won't need it, but you'll be glad if it's there if you do. Cybersecurity training. Knowledge is power. Invest in regular cybersecurity training for employees. The more they know about potential threats and how to avoid them, the safer your organization will be. Plus, it's an excellent way to make sure everyone's on the same page. Stay vigilant. Trust but verify. Finally, always stay vigilant. Cybersecurity is not a one and done deal. It requires ongoing attention. Keep up with the latest security trends and threats. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Wrapping up. In the age of remote work, cybersecurity might seem daunting, but with these tips, you can build a robust defense against cyber threats. Remember, it's not about creating a fortress that's impenetrable. It's about making it so difficult for hackers that they'll move on to an easier target. Stay safe, stay secure, and keep those digital drawbridges up. Stay safe, stay secure, and happy remote working. Make your Wi-Fi be strong and your passwords stronger. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.